Okay, so for the first step, I'm going to get my, my unicorn thing. I guess just start, this is my first time, guys, so disclaimer. But yeah, I guess I'll just start cleaning my fingernails up. And then just cut it all down. So that's what I'm gonna do. Clean it all up so you'll see what the stuff I'm using, and then I'll stop and go to the next part. Okay, so now I got this drill here. So you're supposed to do this just to, I guess, grind this to make it rough before you put on the fake tips. Let's turn it on. I'll put it low because God knows. Yeah, so it's just like that. This makes it rough, I guess. Who knows? So I'm gonna do that with all my nails. Alright, so now that I got my nails all scruffed up, I'm going to use my tips and just use my glue. I'm gonna match up my nail. I'm gonna do my thumb first. That's too small. Maybe here. It's too small. Some of them are mismatched because my ass just dropped them when I was doing my other video. So I need to can't just do 2 of them for one hand. It's too big. I got small fingers. Yeah. Alright, so then some people do it on the bed. I like to do it on the tip. If it focuses, it has these lines, so I'm gonna do it right there. it's all rough now, so I can have better traction and so the tipping would blend in. I'm gonna go with my, I guess, powder and liquid, which came in here, and put on the acrylic. I think some people like, I don't think I put enough water. Some people like, I like my nails really thin, so I'm gonna do this really thin. However, some nail artists, oh gosh, this is so bad, they like to like start off in the middle or top or some shit like that. However, I'm gonna start off on the bottom and work my way up. I got it to the actual length I want. So now I'm going to go back to what I was trying to do. Alright, so now I could not record this mess because look at this. It took me a long time and I did not want the video to be so long, but you saw the beginning. I just did this for all my nails. It took a long time, but practice makes perfect. Now I'm gonna just do the drill, I guess, just to make it even. They do that at the salon anyway, so make it even, do some filing, just shape them up to my perfect shape. So I put this one in. It comes with these, just to let you know. Okay, so it was a whole process getting my nails filed, but this is the end result. I shaped them and everything. I had to use different files for them, but basically it was a lot of this one. It's like a they call it a bullet, I guess. And then I finished it off with this refiner to make it even. It's kind of bumpy still. This is my first time, so when I put the nail polish on, it's probably gonna look like trash. But it is what it is. So now I washed my hands, and now I'm going to put on the, I guess, clear coat, and then the gel, and the clear coat, I guess, covered. So this is the finished product. I can't believe I'm done. I don't even know how long it took me. Should have timed it. But let's see if I zoom in. Change the lens. I gotta wash my hands so this extra out of here is gone. But yep, it's lit. So that was my quarantine nails. I'll probably do it another time. It's a lot of work though. If I want to do extra stuff, might as well go, I don't know, I might go salon. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.